Hey, my name is Palak and this is my project PayCheck for Tech Together Hackathon. As we know, there is bias on payment received among different genders in tech. PayCheck can be used to analyze this bias. Tech stack used in this project include Firebase for the backend services, React for the UI, and Auth0 for user management. Disclaimer: all the data used in this project is hypothetical. So basically on the home page, we can see these two blocks. On the left side, we have data about the job role. For example, here the job role is data engineer. Highest salary paid to a data engineer is $80,000 and the gender of person who received this salary is non-binary. The lowest salary is $10,000 and the gender of person who received it is a gender. Average salary of data engineer is 33,000 and the data is gathered from 5 individuals. So the number of individual involved include 5%. On the right side, we can see different choices from which we can choose to get data off. For example, let's click on web developer. So here we can see data regarding web developer. Its highest salary and gender, lowest salary and gender, and the average salary. And you can go further for mobile developer, QA engineer, etc. Now if someone want to add data, they can click on add wage button in the navbar. It will take them to add wage form page. We need to log in to add data. Let's click on the login button. Here I'm using Auth0 to log in. We can log in through Google, GitHub, Apple, or using our email address. I'm logging through Google. So we can see that we are logged in, and here is a quick note about the form. Share your salary anonymously. Thank you for participating in the survey. Your input will play a crucial role in examining gender-based pay equality. Rest assured, we are committed to safeguarding your privacy, and salary-related data will be shared anonymously, ensuring your personal information remains confidential. Your contribution will help shed on potential biases in compensation. Please answer all the questions honestly. So let's click on start button. First of all, we need to fill our gender. So mine is cisgender female. We can also click on other if your gender is not included in the list or you want to specify it on yourself, you can mention it here. But I'm choosing cisgender female. Click on OK. Now what is our job role? So mine is web developer. If your is not included in the list, you can click on other and specify, but I'm choosing web developer. What is your salary? Currently my salary is 0, but for the sake of tutorial, I'm writing here $80,000. And what are your views? You can write here about what you think about your salary. Is it low, okay, or amazing for you? So I think $80,000 is pretty amazing for me. And click on submit. Now we are back on the home page and the data is added in web developer section. You can scroll down and see it here. Let me check. Here it is. Views. I think $80,000 is pretty amazing for me. Last is the profile page, which just contains some of our information and a logout button. So let's click on the profile button in the navbar, and you can say it just contains a logout button. So I'm clicking on it to show that it really works, and I'm using auth 0 for this. So you can see that we are logged out. The project is also responsive. Um, Let me show you that it is really responsive. It contains a lot of fields. Mm, this page is also responsive, like this is loading. Please log in to continue. And the home page. Thank you for visiting PayCheck.